Ang inyo pong ama ay kilalang kritiko ng mga Duterte. Ano po yung aasahan ng publiko sa inyong pagtungtong sa Kamara?
I think that was a misunderstood
Mhm.
concept. If you look at the hearings, while my dad was a member of the Quadcom, he was one of the um, representatives who actually extended respect to the former president. You can look at the records because we were pointing that out when I was helping him out during those hearings. And even with the vice president, ganun kami pinalaki. You treat them with respect no matter what.
Mhm.
And then nobody's uh, guilty and guilty until proven otherwise, 'di ba?
So ang
So
i-expect po namin sa inyo kapag umupo kayo sa Kamara at makikilahok kayo sa mga usapan lalo na sa impeachment ni VP Sara, how can we expect you to to act on it? Napag-isipan niyo na ba ho ba kung ano yung gagawin niyo at pag hinarap niyo
it's
ito?
it's based on the evidence po.
Mhm.
I mean, it's based on the evidence that will be presented po. Mahirap pangunahan po 'yan dahil hangga't hindi pa natin nakita ebidensya, mahirap magsalita ng tapos.